Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to come over what happens if my kid accidentally locked my GE Profile refrigerator. Well, this is what you're going to see, okay? Now, you would think all you have to do is go like that. Ooh, what did I just see? It just told me what I just saw. You have to hold it 3, 2, 1. Now my controls are back working, okay? Now if you do want to turn your controls off and lock them up so the kids can't play with it or anything like that, you hit the button and then you got a control lock and then you can hit on. See, you don't have to wait time for that one. That automatically just kicks into control lock automatically. But like I said, to take it out of control lock, you need to touch it. 3, 2, 1, and boom, your controls are back working. You know, easy as cake, but if you don't know how to do it, it can be real confusing and real hard. But now you want to make sure, like I said, press firmly and straight. Don't be off left or right. In the 3 seconds it doesn't come up, then you know you got a problem. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. You folks come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.